Well, as we near the end of March, maybe you've got the March blah. So many people are talking about spring and the refresh. Well, how about refreshing your beauty routine? Well, there is one person that we love checking in with, the lovely Grace Gold, who has some products that you may want to give a try to. Grace, good morning.
Thank you. Thanks so much for having me, Natalie. I feel like we all need that spring refresh this year, especially.
There you go. It's like we're so close, we're getting excited, but yet not quite there yet. So, but the products that you were talking about, well, they can really do that. Where do we begin? I know you're a passion for skincare. Is that a good place to start?
Absolutely. And I feel like we all just want smoother, brighter skin this time of year. So a really great option to consider. This is Olay Regenerist Micro Sculpting Cream Moisturizer, and it's rich and nourishing, gives you that immediate and long-lasting hydration. And all of Olay's red jars, they have dermatologist recommended ingredients like vitamin B3, which is niacinamide, a very hardworking ingredient that regenerates surface cells, strengthens skin's natural moisture barrier. It's hydrating and soothing. They've also got hyaluronic acid and glycerin, two very potent hydrators in here. And it's a great price, under $30, Olay.com, or check your local retailer for curbside pickup.
Grace, I found myself wanting to maybe jump a little earlier this year into bronzers, into skin enhancing, like maybe getting that glow. Normally, I don't do that until like April, May, but I'm doing it early this year. Any way to get that glow?
Yes, well, this is super fun. This is Cuvée Beauty. It's a hair and body glow, and it is so perfect for Tampa. So it's lightweight, fast drying, and oil spray. It gives you that subtle veil of hydrating shimmer, shine, and scent for both your hair and skin. It's a nourishing blend of natural oils like sunflower, apricot, evening primrose. This is also going to tame frizz and add shine to your hair, and it is so deliciously scented with champagne and fig leaf notes. Now, this is Leaping Bunny certified with no sulfates or parabens. And Cuvée, if you haven't heard of this brand, it's champagne-infused luxury hair care. And they actually source their grape seed straight from Champagne, France. So this is the real deal, and it's affordable luxury as well. It's $20 at CuvéeBeauty.com.
Okay, my mouth is open because I'm amazed. You spray that, you can spray this in your hair and your skin?
Yes, and it just
I
gives you
need some
that
of that.
beautiful subtle glow.
Need some of that now, Grace. I'm not gonna lie. I'm like looking at my I'm like, I need some of that shine as I'm looking at my shot here. Okay, that is fabulous. Moving right along, what else do you have for us?
Yes, well, so many of us want to do more of those treatments like our eyebrows, the facial hair removal at home these days. And this
Hmm.
is such a great tool. It's Hollywood Browzer. So it's that perfect at-home beauty tool. It does eyebrow shaping, hair removal, dermaplaning, removes your hair exfoliates at the same time so you get that smooth, hair-free skin in seconds. It's virtually pain-free, no redness, irritation, or downtime with instant results. Your skincare absorbs better, your makeup looks flawless, and there is no hassle of the waxing, all the pain that goes with that, the threading and the shaving and all that kind of stuff. So great for the pandemic so that you can do it at home in the convenience at home. This is $20 for the duo at HollywoodBrowzer.com.
It's still all about the brows, right? I mean, it's still all about the brows when it comes to makeup these days. Okay, if it's
It
not about the brows though that stand out, because a lot of us wearing masks, I'm always looking for new patterns and masks that are comfortable. I am digging what you're showing right there.
Yes, so this is Co-Protect, and they are doing new KN95 masks. So this is your disposable high protection mask that we're used to seeing in sterile blue and white colors, right? Well, they're finally doing them in really fun fashion prints, including the animal print I have on the table. I know you're going to love that, Tampa, right? This is
Mhm.
FDA certified, 99% bacterial filtration, great for at-risk individuals, higher risk activities. It's maximum comfort because it's got that open air pocket so you can breathe easy, speak clearly. It's contoured to hug your cheeks and chin. And if you're not familiar with this brand, they're a leader in masks. They've actually got a new COVID testing service called Co-Protect 360, where they're managing testing for film and TV productions, sports teams, and companies. You can find out all about it at co-protectglobal.com, and those packs start at $15.
By the way, those are so much better. When you said the KN95s, mine are like the plain white. And then I get, they're just so boring and blah. I love those. Okay, last but definitely not least, I think we're taking a look in the inside, right?
We are. So it's a great time to spring clean the wellness supplement drawer. You got to make sure
Yeah.
it's up to date and it's actually working for you. And so many of us women, we suffer from UTIs. It's the second most common infection in the USA. So Utiva is actually a doctor recommended all natural urinary health and wellness company. And they make 3 supplements. So they make Control, which is a small pill with 9 times more cranberry packs than other pills. They make D-Manos Attack, really great for an extra boost of strength if this is a recurrent issue for you, and Probiotic Power, which helps maintain a healthy gut and minimize the side effects of UTIs. What's so great is they are selling all 3 in a power bundle, 50% off this week. UtivaHealth.com. You can stock up on your women's supplements and get a really good price as well.
I love getting that deal. Grace, as always, we love when you are with us. How can people stay in touch with you and up to date? Because I know you like to share all of these products all the time.
Sure, if you missed anything, come find me Instagram at Ms. Grace Gold.